Okay, brothers, my brothers and sisters, here we are. We finally did it. We finally did it. The studio is completed and it's done and ready to roll. So I'm bringing you some footages, some actual footage of the studio for you guys to check it out. It is awesome. We got a studio and we got a little repair shop right over here in the corner. Oh, this is it, guys. Alright. This is it. This is it. As they say in the song, this is it. V.B.HAWK here. You can't get any better than this, man. So hard work pays off. This is what happens. Okay? We work hard, we get our things done, and we get it done nicely, professionally. We're creative, we are original, and this is V.B.HAWK, the birth. There we go. So I am really excited to have this here. This is awesome stuff. All we need now is we're waiting for the merchandise that we have purchased. So this place is going to be a little packed. So, but it's going to work out fine. We're going to have the merchandise here, and then we'll continue with Plan B to start doing our broadcast and to bring you V.B.HAWK. V.B.HAWK is here, man. It's live. It's real. Yeah. Many people thought I wouldn't be able to do this. So here it is. Alright, V.B.HAWK. We're coming to your neighborhoods. Okay, this is I can't express how excited I am to have this thing down here, man. I'm so excited. So, you know, this is the reward you get when you work hard, man. Okay? You work hard, man, you do what you need to do, and this is the outcome. This is the outcome, man. This is it, man. This is it, bro. Okay? This is it. I'm so freaking excited. And let me tell you, and the people that support me, I thank you. Thank you all. You know, I'm going to bring to you a lot of things. This is just the beginning, man. This is only the beginning. So, after this, we're going to start opening up our first stores. And then from there on, man, we're on our way. Hopefully. But we have to continue working hard. We have drones. I have my drones here. These are racing drones that we used to build. The drones, my Coke here, my soda. Yeah, from the old classic. We got a repair shop. We got all the tools. Repair scooters. You know, basic repairs. You know, so got a little fridge here when we get thirsty. Boop, boop, boop. We got some. What do we have here? Oh, the ice box. Well, no, I haven't put them in there yet. We got some juices there. Really cool. Alright. We got our toys. Got my robot there. Alright. We got my rocket there. Little gumball machine rocket that I do for the hot. A couple t-shirts. This is my first t-shirt that I made when I first started doing all this. When I first started doing with drones. Okay. So this is it. So I'm happy and proud that that we got to this point. Really, I just out of words right now. You know, so it's an achievement, man. It feels good. It feels really good. Okay. but we still have more to go. But this is the stepping stone, step one. Okay? So I'm gonna let it go here. I just wanted to show a little videotape of the actual studio. So you get to be able to see what we have. And that's it, guys. You know. So I'm gonna let it go here, guys. Thank you for all of you that support me and that follow me on Facebook, Instagram, on YouTube, on my websites, and everything else, man. All right. I love you guys all, and make sure you follow us, man. Tell your friends, man. Tell your friends about it, man. So it's a lot of things, a lot of good things coming with all this, man. This is a lot of good things coming. You know, this is fun. This is a fun thing. A lot of fun things, man. So you know, riding is fun. We go to the parks. You know, it's healthy. It's clean. You know what I mean? There's nothing else better than doing this. All right. For boys, girls, young people like mine, like me, people from all ages. Okay, we even got little kids V.B.HAWK. All right, so let me let it go here. I'll talk to you guys later. I'll update you guys soon when are we doing our first broadcast. We're still waiting for the merchandise to arrive. So you know, that's another thing. All right, so we're waiting on that, and we'll let it go here, guys. All right, I appreciate you. I love you guys all. Peace. V.B.HAWK. Out. We rock, guys.